Hi there, welcome to another Gradelink websites tutorial video. In this video, we'll talk about how to add a redirect for a specific URL to another page. Now this could be used for a variety of purposes, one of them being if you have a friendly URL that you would like to use, but you want to redirect it to an external page. Like a donation system of some sort, then you can do that, have it automatically redirect from a site URL. For example, here we have concordiapeoria.com. Let's say you wanted to /donate should go to an external link like Vanco or GiveButter or something like that. We can easily set that up. Another use case would be if you had a page on the website that you deleted and wanted to redirect the original URL of the deleted page to another page so people don't get a 404 error. So for example, if you had some page here, we want a / there. Let's say you had a page there that was under this URL and you wanted people to not get there. Right now this page is redirecting to the home page, so all of that goes to the home page. So we do have a default setup on this particular site, but in case there was that scenario, you can set up a redirect. So now to go in how to do that, how do you set up that redirect? We're going to log into the website, and on the WordPress dashboard, you land first on the dashboard here. Then where you're going to go is under Rank Math SEO. This should be installed on your site. If it isn't, please contact Gradelink support. And we're going to hover over Rank Math SEO and click on redirections. And this is a built-in tool, and we could set up redirections very easily. So we're going to go ahead and set up one right now. Click on Add New. The source URL is going to be what you want the URL that is going to be redirected. So in this case, we'll put this one, concordiapeoria.com /eras. You can set this parameter. Usually we go with just exact, because sometimes if you use these other options, it can create complications. So probably stick with exact unless you have a reason to go with something else. And in this case, we'll do a redirect to an external link. So destination URL is going to be givebutter.com /concordiapeoria. And the redirection type, 302 permanent move. Temporary, we don't usually use temporary ones. Those are special use cases. Maintenance code, we don't need those either. And the status, we want it to be active. Then we'll click on Add Redirection. And now we have, it automatically strips out the first portion of the URL. And that's why it only says eras. But now if we go to concordiapeoria.com /eras, it should redirect us over to the GiveButter page. And it does. So there you have it. That's how you set up a redirect on your site. It could be to an external link. It could be to another site on your web page. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please reach out to Gradelink support. Website support. Websites.